Grade 5 Science Chapter 2 The Respiratory System. The respiratory system. All living beings need oxygen to live. This is supplied to all the organs of the body through the process of respiration. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. They are a pair of spongy balloon like structures. The lungs take in air and absorb oxygen from it. This oxygen mixes with the blood and is carried to all the parts of the body. Organs of the respiratory system. The human respiratory system consists of the nose, windpipe, lungs, and diaphragm. Nose. The process of respiration starts from the nose. We breathe in and out through the nose. The nose is connected to the lungs through the windpipe. The openings of nose are known as nostrils. The inside of the nose is lined with mucus and very small and fine hair. The hair and mucus prevents dirt and dust particles from entering our windpipe along with air we inhale. Therefore, it is advised to breathe through the nose and not through the mouth. Windpipe or trachea. Windpipe or trachea is the passage that connects the mouth and nose to the lungs. Trachea splits into two branches called bronchi, left bronchus and right bronchus, which enters into each lung. Air enters the windpipe and passes through the bronchi to reach the lungs. Lungs. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. They are a pair of spongy balloon-like structure. The lungs take in air and absorb oxygen from it. This oxygen mixes with the blood and is carried to all parts of the body. The lungs are surrounded by a very thin network of blood capillaries from outside as well as inside. The lungs also help in throwing out carbon dioxide from the body. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a bomb-shaped muscular wall below the lungs. It divides the body into two parts, the chest cavity and the abdomen. It is the muscle that works with the lungs to breathe in and breathe out, inhale and exhale. When we inhale, diaphragm becomes flat, and when we exhale, it becomes dome-shaped. Asthma is a chronic disease that affects the tubes that carry air in and out of your lungs. Asthma is a chronic disease that affects the tubes that carry air in and out of your lungs. Process of respiration. As we breathe in, the air enters through our nose, passes through the windpipe, and reaches our lungs. Breathing in of air is called inhalation. As the lungs fills up, we can feel our chest expanding. This air has more oxygen in it. The blood carries this oxygen from the lungs to all the parts of the body. The blood also brings back carbon dioxide from the body parts back to the lungs. When we breathe out, this carbon dioxide is thrown out of the body. Breathing out of air is called exhalation. During any physical activity, the rate of breathing increases as our body needs more oxygen to meet the energy requirement. Sneezing. Sneezing is the sudden release of air from nose and mouth due to irritation in the nose. We sneeze mainly due to two reasons. When some dust, dirt particles, or strong smells enter our nose, they cause irritation, making us sneeze. When we have a cold, our nose gets blocked with nasal mucus. We usually sneeze to clear the nasal passage. It is a myth that we sneeze when someone remembers us, used by many to take attention away from the cause of sneezing.